everybody, Cousin Jim here, getting ready to make another backcountry episode for you. We're headed over to the Everglades, but we just saw this big mullet mud here, thought we'd stop and try and catch a few trout for you. I got Barry up in the front. This is his boat. What size is this Worldcat, Barry?
It's a 23-foot center comp, 23-foot CC.
Okay.
Crusader.
So we got a 23-foot Worldcat, and this is my new buddy Pete here. Just met him today. He loves the deep drop.
That's right. How's it going?
All right. If you like what we're doing, subscribe.
This water we're running over is 2.5 feet deep. We're running about 30 to 32 miles an hour. You can see how shallow it is there. There are some posts that you have to go between, and you stay on the side the arrow is pointing to.
I don't know, but I ain't slowing down. That's a damn shame. We got no water in here. I can't slow down. This is exactly where Susan said don't let anybody get rain.
Got some guys fly fishing over here. The water's about 2.5 feet deep. It's pretty muddy. We're gonna see what happens. There you go, Barry. All right, got it on. It doesn't matter. Let's see what it is, Barry. I need it for video.
Yes, it is a trout.
It looks like it's a 13-inch.
No, I would say that's more like 10, but it is a spotted trout, which is what we're after.
Nice release.
We have a negative 0.7 tide here. We're just outside of Flamingo in the flats area looking for redfish. There's fish all around underneath me.
I cannot believe my shrimp has not been picked up. The Flamingo landing in the tree. All right, Pete's on.
Fresh inventory is arriving daily, and your trade-in is wanted.
All right, buddy.
Your trade-in and trade-up.
No matter what it is, would you show him to the camera?
Oh, it's a kitty catfish.
That's okay.
Little kitty cat.
All righty, the water's a little muddy,
You want to sit here?
but we got a nice little catfish here.
I figured that was only a matter of time. You know, some people actually target that. Really, for what?
They're good eating. There we go, little sail cat, I think he is.
I think he is. Boy,
Beautiful colors.
kitty catfish or fine little kitty cat?
Oh, I lost mine. We were doubled up for a second.
Double. Well,
All right, bending the rod. That's a good thing. Yeah.
at least it's a big cat.
Oh yeah. He's got 2 more inches on that other one.
Man, yeah, he's got a little bit more weight to him. A little bit more weight to him than the other one.
And that is the sail cat, right? That's what that one is?
I think that is a sail cat.
I tell you, you get finned by that, man.
Yep. Yeah, that's bad news.
Barry's on. What you got there, Barry?
Got a kitty catfish.
Huh.
Meow.
All right, another catfish. All right,
Is it a trout?
Pete's on.
Oh, it is a trout. Finally. Oh.
All right.
Need the gaff for the net? Yeah, I need the gaff. Oh, it's a nice trout.
We've doubled up.
Yay.
Doubled up. Here we go.
Water here. Thank God, trout man. Oh, thank you, Jesus.
What's the size limit on these things?
Hang on. And the answer to
Ooh,
that
that's a nice one.
The answer is 15, I believe. So,
15 is the minimum, 19 is the max, 3-bag limit for people.
okay, so let's
Oh, here, let me get your measuring device. Hang on.
15?
yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
This one's easy
I
15.
might go 19.
Oh, thank God. Here you go.
That's a nice one, man.
Oh, that's so, isn't that pretty?
Here.
15 total?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm good. I not even will care about it.
That is...
He's 15. He's right at it.
Aren't they pretty? Those. Oh,
What a beautiful fish.
Trout man. Trout land on the incoming. Just throw one. I got one on the cutting board, but I didn't get the cutting board.
There we go.
Oh, man.
Oh, Misty. I may switch over to the bobber.
I don't know. That was a nice one you got.
But I've only got one bite. I'd rather catch 5-6 fish. Gonna watch Pete with a little of his action. There he goes, fish on, he's got him. Good job, Pete. I got that strike. Nice little trout.
Oh, that's a pretty good. Oh, nice.
Great looking little trout here.
That's a little trout.
Beautiful fish, Pete.
Gorgeous.
We'll send him loose.
Send him loose.
There he goes.
Good release.
There he is at the surface and swimming away. Right on. Good job, Pete. Let's get him, buddy.
Get him in the boat.
We'll get this one in the boat.
Isn't that if you think that, oh, that is a nice one.
Nice fish.
Nice one.
There we go.
There we go.
15, 16 inches.
Go.
Nice trout.
Nice.
Talk to you later, Dad.
Now they're all spotted too. We
Bye.
haven't seen any silvers or sand trout yet.
Beautiful fish. Fish on.
There we go.
I got another nice little trout.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. He looks like he's probably 14.
14 and a half.
He's not going to make our slot. But look at him.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish. Oh.
Released. There we go. Pete's on.
Oh, this is a nice one.
He's got a nice one. Pete's got a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, come into the boat.
Oh.
And release.
And release.
There you go, Barry. Nice release.
Nice release.
He was short. I got the release. It looks like the bite has slowed down here though. Well, we moved in because the fish were in here.
Yeah, I
we
know.
could see them.
We ain't seeing them anymore.
Nope.
Every time. Oh. Where's my damn bobber?
All right, Barry. Another fish though. Bending the rod.
Took my eye out.
Wiley trout.
Took my eye out.
Oh, you're not even using a weight on yours at all. are you?
No weight.
Well, at least now I'll have a warning if I get a bite.
Yeah.
I'm getting a bite. See my bobber? It's moving there. Got him. Trout. There we go. Another nice little 12, 13 inch trout. Gonna set him free. There we go, Pete's on. Oh yeah, nice trout.
Bites back on.
Nice trout. There you go. Oh, keep him out of the motors. Oh, look at the size of that one. Woo!
Anything that?
Yeah.
That is right there, people.
There we go. There's another keeper. I'm gonna go up sun from you. That's a nice fish.
You see him. Oh, that's a pretty fish.
He don't have two fangs. He's only got one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, 15.
Yeah, 16 almost.
15 and a half, 16. Send him over here. Oh yeah, yeah.
Little trout.
Nice little fish. There we go. Oh, hold on one second. That'll make a nice. Yeah. That'll make a nice thumbnail for the start of it.
Pretty fish, pretty fish. All right, buddy, hang on. This is hurting you worse than it's hurting me. Oh man, they're slimy. Give me a. I forgot they were so slimy.
Good looking fish though, Barry.
It's a pretty one. Well, good release.
I built this orange rod hoping that it shows up better in the videos. There you go, Barry.
Ready?
Barry's on.
He's off. No, he's back.
He's still on. Oh, now he's off. And this is your secret hole called Trout Hole?
No, this is Trout Land.
Oh, Trout Land.
Yeah.
There we go. Pete's on. Oh, that's a nice fish too, Pete. Another nice one. Good battle there. Oh, look at that fish.
American squirrel. Oh! Ooh, that's nice.
That's a slot fish. That one's going home for dinner. Unless he gets released like the last couple. Nice keeper fish.
Let's see.
Oh man, look.
Look at it.
Right in the corner of the
Right in
mouth.
the corner of the mouth.
Beautiful.
No wonder these things lose these fish. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see if he's
Oh, he's legal.
let's see if he's a keeper.
We're gonna call him 16 inches.
Yeah, 16 inches.
16 inches there. Nice fish.
Beautiful fish.
I think my bobber is missing right now, which is a good thing.
Oh, there he is. It's
Oh,
back.
that's mine. Yours is gone.
Yeah, his is gone.
There we go.
There you go. There you go.
All right, from now on, let's start dead sticking and pretending we're sleeping.
All right.
Oh, there we go. Jack.
I got a yellow belly here. Look at that yellow belly trout.
Is that beautiful? Oh, it's beautiful or what? That's a beautiful fish.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. He's not very big, but Barry had one and lost it. Beautiful fish. He's go.
First one got the wax on, wax off. Well, this is fish on, fish off.
Yeah, when I thought I got a bite just as I walked down to film that fish for you. Barry's on. Barry's on. Oh, this might be a 14 and a half incher.
Oh, this, I don't know.
He might do it.
This is a nice fish. Oh,
Oh, he's gonna make it.
oh yeah.
Fatty.
He is fatty. That might be a female with roe. I don't know. Oh, they are so pretty.
I got a fish on. You let him go? I have a fish on. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Oh, he's off. I lost him. Uh-huh.
Oh my God, that was the biggest, funnest I've ever had in my life.
Fish on.
It was combat fishing. Don't get me wrong, but it was a fun. That was some fun fishing.
I don't know what just happened here.
What happened? Did you fish on?
I don't have any idea. My jig had wrapped around my line,
Oh.
and so even though I did have a fish on, I lost him. And it didn't just wrap, it tied. I've never been with anybody that fished the buoy line for swords,
Right.
so I do not know how to do it.
I fished at, I got a friend of mine actually who actually taught me. His parents, you know, are commercial fishermen. Been their whole life. Now they own a fish company down in Flamingo River.
There we go, fish on. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a bigger fish. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be a catfish. It's pulling hard.
I don't see it. I don't see it on the surface.
It's pulling hard. Digging deep.
Yeah, catfish. Oh, big old catfish.
Oh, look at the size of that catfish.
Bigger than the other one.
Whew. Nice fish. Woohoo!
Is it a kitty cat?
Yep. Big catfish. There he comes.
Oh, good grief.
He just keeps digging for the bottom and peeling some drag out.
Oh, boy, there's a big. I haven't seen him that big out here. That's two you've had that size. It is.
I thought it was the other one.
Gaff tops.
They're gaff tops and not sail fins, right?
My brother from Texas calls them gaff tops. They get them down in the Galveston Bay. Yeah. Said they're good eating. Oh, good. I'll let you.
I've heard that. All right, so I've got a jig head and a shrimp. I'm going up through the bottom of the tail so I can lay the tail on top of the jig head. Look at the presentation there. I've got about 2 feet of 15-pound leader and then a rattle trap type bobber. And I got one on.
You did steal my fish.
Take up the slack and hit him. I got him.
Call it.
It's a trout. It's a trout.
Called it. That was a good fish. You did.
Ain't no doubt about it. Oh, it's another nice one.
That is a very pretty one. There's no doubt about it. Oh, that is pretty. Yeah, man. Fish on. I think it's a kitty cat, though.
Barry's on. Yep, another catfish. I saw his tail. There we go. Okay, we got Catfish Barry, Swing and a Miss Pete, and Trout Jim. Having a great day out here.
I don't like that handle.
Oh. Pete's on here. Good job, Pete. I'll back up so I can get you in the whole frame. Nice looking trout. Coming up. Nice trout. Let's put this guy on a tape measure. Okay, this one's another keeper. We got another 15 right here.
I'm gonna say that's not gonna make 14.
I don't think this is.
This one is right at 15. Look at that, doubled up, people.
Oh, beautiful.
Here, let's get them in the sun. See if we can get them both in the sun together. Look at those two fish. Beautiful. Look inside that mouth.
Gorgeous.
Only a mouth a mother would love.
I
think he's
think he's probably gonna be. I think he's gonna be close.
good job. I got you catching fish now. Yeah, the tide's running fast enough now. It's hard to keep tension on it.
Yeah. But if I fish down to the other side of the boat, it's all catfish. So. Although we.
Well, you want me to go over there and show you how to catch a trout?
Yeah.
I did not see a bite, but I do not have a shrimp. Barry's on.
Small fish.
Let's see what he's got.
Small fish.
Yeah, but really.
That's okay. Catfish Barry is on.
I'm done. That's it.
Here, show me that thing, Barry.
No, I won't.
Yeah, put it up here for the camera. Let's see it. Look at that, Catfish Barry.
It
Good
looks
job,
like-
man.
It looks like a fish, only smaller.
It's a saltwater species.
Come on,
Good job, Barry.
Do I look like the invisible man?
He looks like he used to be Pilot Barry, but now he's just plain Barry.
That's spelled P-L-A-N-E.
Hey everybody, had a great day out there on the water, fishing Flamingo, caught a bunch of trout, a bunch of gaff or sail cats, had a great time, some jacks showed up. What'd you think of the day, Barry?
Love it. Love going to the Everglades.
Excellent.
Didn't see any crocodiles or alligators, but we did see a flamingo. That was pretty cool.
And spoonbill rosettes. Rosette spoonbills. Rosette spoonbills.